Okay, now we're going to learn how to check the answer. This is one of the problems we did earlier. You guys ready to learn how to check it?
Yeah.
When we check it, this is what's going to happen. I'm going to show you how to multiply this, and when we finish, we will end up with the problem we started with. Okay? So, this is how you check it. To check it, you have to multiply. How do I know to multiply? There's nothing between these parentheses. So that means multiply. Okay. We're going to use like a pass out method, kind of like a distribute method. I need to take this x and multiply it to him and to him. Does that make sense? So, what is x times x? X squared. I heard it over there on the right. Now, what does P-Man say?
Multiply.
When you see multiplication, add the exponents. What are the exponents right now?
Zero.
Not 0,
Not 2.
1. And what happens when you add 1 plus 1?
2.
That, Crystal, is where the 2 comes from. Okay? So now we're going to get 4 terms when we do this method, what we're doing, when we multiply. So I'm going to write 4 blanks down here. And what goes in the first blank?
X to the second.
X to the second, because that was our first term. The first terms in each parentheses. You got me?
Mm-hmm.
Now, what is x times negative 3?
Negative X.
Negative, yes! Negative 3x. What did I do again, everybody?
Multiply
X times negative 3. Now, do you notice that these are on the outside of everything? That's what I call my outer terms. There it is. Somebody said it. Foil. That's what we're about to do. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
So we took x and we multiplied it to both of these. What do you think we're going to do with the 7?
Multiply X
The
times-
same thing. Multiply it to everything in the other parentheses. So we're going to take 7 and let's multiply it. Now the 7 times x is,
7X.
what kind of 7x?
7X.
Positive.
7X.
Can anybody guess what term that is? It's the inner term.
I was gonna say
Because both of them are inside.
biology.
Foil!
Oh, I know what you're talking about now.
Okay, you ready? Now we're going to take the 7 and multiply it to negative 3, which is,
Negative 21.
and that is the last term.
L.
So L. That is foil.
I like
Where's the L
that.
coming
Okay, I'm sorry.
And that, ooh,
Last terms.
from?
It's the last term in each parentheses.
that's the problem, right?
Right. Now, do you see any like terms that we can combine?
Oh, yeah.
What do you see?
Negative 3X.
Negative 3x plus,
7X.
Yeah.
which is
4x.
4x. So how do we rewrite this answer? X squared
Plus 4.
plus 4x.
Minus 21.
Now, how did you get plus 4x?
Positive.
The bigger number was positive, right? And we're adding and subtracting. Why did you write minus 21? Because negative 21. That's right. What do you notice about the answer we got and the answer up here?
It matches.
It matches. So we just checked our answer by multiplying the two binomials. We checked our answer by doing what?
The 2 by
Multiplying the two binomials. Now let's go to the problem we did when the ad popped up at the end of the video, of the last video. Okay. What do we do with 2x?
multiply.
Multiply, distribute it to the x and the,
5.
no, not the
One.
5,
One.
the 1. Now, 2x times x is what?
2X.
So, this was a little different, isn't it? we have to first multiply the coefficients. So 2 times 1 is 2. Now what do we do with the exponents? Add. Good job. So 2x squared. Did everybody catch that?
Yeah.
So what is the F of FOIL?
That's the first, right?
Now, yes, now we're going to do the O. So 2x times
X,
2x times
1,
1 is
2x,
2x. So what do I write?
2x,
No?
positive 2x.
Good job. Okay, who can tell me what to do next without me telling you?
That's the inner one, so 5x.
Good, that's the inner. That's the inner. So 5 times who?
10, X.
5 times x, not 10.
Oh, 5. I
5x.
thought you said 5 times
No.
5x.
And
5 times 1.
And then we do 5 times,
2.
no, not
5
2.
times 1.
5 times 1, not 5 times
Five.
2. Which is?
5.
Now what term is that?
The last.
The last term. Who can tell me how to finalize that answer?
Add the like terms.
Add the like terms. What are the like terms?
2x, 5x.
Good, Benjamin. 2x plus 5x, which gives us?
7x.
What do you notice?
It's the same.
It is exactly the same as?
The equation.
Okay. So next class, we will play a little mini Kahoot game, and then we will go right into practicing this again. Is that fair?
Yes.
Okay. Good job.